In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make PHONK music in Suno AI step by step. Whether you're a seasoned music producer or simply curious about exploring new tools, this guide will walk you through the process of creating your own PHONK tracks with ease. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head to Google. You can use any browser, but for the purposes of this video, we're using Google because it's simple and widely accessible. Once you're at the Google homepage, move to the search bar and type in Suno AI. This is the platform where we'll be crafting our PHONK music. After you've typed in Suno AI, hit enter. You should see a list of search results. Look for the official Suno AI website in the results. Usually, it's the first link. Click on the link to navigate to Suno AI's homepage. Once you're on the Suno AI website, you'll notice a few options before you. Look towards the top, where you'll see a Sign In button. Click on this and log in with your credentials. If you're new to Suno AI, go ahead and create an account. Registration is straightforward and worth the time. After logging in, your next step is to click on Create. This button helps you access the music creation interface where all the fun begins. You are almost ready to start designing your PHONK masterpiece. Now that you're in the creation area, you'll see different project choices. Click on Simple. This section is user-friendly and ideal for grasping the essentials of music creation, particularly if you're new to Suno AI. Let's move into the creative process. In the input box provided, type in your PHONK song description. Feel free to get creative with this. Describe the vibe, the tempo, or any specific elements you want your track to have. A thorough description will help Suno AI understand what you're looking to create, so don't hold back your creative vision. After inputting your description, press the Create button once more. Suno AI will now begin generating your PHONK track based on the details you provided. This process might take a moment, so sit tight as the software works its magic. You're almost done. When the track has been created, look over to the right side of the interface. You'll find your track, and to download it, locate the 3-dotted line next to your new PHONK creation. Click this icon, and you'll see the download option. Go ahead and click it to save your track directly to your device. And there you have it. You've successfully created a PHONK track using Suno AI. Feel free to play around more with the platform and refine your music creation skills. Thanks for watching, and happy music making.